Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show how the responsive design works. So what is responsive design? So we have a website. If that website open it in different devices such as iPad, mini iPad, iPhone, the website has to be viewable and with all the details in it. So if the website is not the responsive design, then even if you open it in the iPad or iPhone, the website won't looks nice. For example, this is a website which is not a responsive design. If I minimize this to a smaller size, look at it. So you have to do this horizontal scrolling. Imagine it, if you have a very big, very good website which has a lot of details, user won't view this horizontal. Maybe some of the data moved to different location, because we haven't created the website to work for iPhone. So what responsive design do is we make the website to be visible or viewable properly in a smaller screen such as iPhone or iPad. So I already created a responsive design website. So it's called test.html, same HTML but different CSS, just a small change in CSS to make the website to works for iPhone or iPad or in any other devices, smaller devices. So let's open this one in a smaller size. You already saw the problem with the scroll bar issue. A lot of users don't like to use this horizontal scroll to see all the details. They use touchscreen to just scroll down, rather they use right side. So I already have a test HTML which is responsive design. I'm going to click it. See here, it's well viewable. So one item in a view. So if you scroll down, you can see the old movies on the top, new movies on the bottom. So this is responsive design. If I increase the size, just keep increasing, then it will come into different view, and it'll be keep increasing. In iPad it will be look like this. So there is no horizontal scroll bar any bad looking. If you open the other one, you'll see the looks a little bit different. You have a horizontal scroll bar and this look also a little bit different. Just see the difference. So I'm gonna show the basic way of creating responsive design. So let's take this test2.html as our example. So first thing, we will take a look at our HTML code. We have main view, which is the master div, and then we have movie title and movie list. Inside the movie list we have old movie div and new movie div. Old movie has list of movie items, looks like this. So list of movie items. Let's check the CSS. We're gonna just change the CSS to make this web page to work in all different devices. So first thing we're gonna do is main view, which we have a width 900px, and we have old movies, which is a left side view, and new movies, which is on the right side. We have a width is 450px, and the right side we have 450px. It's 900 divided by 2, so left side 50%, right side 50%. So most of the people use fixed width. We try to use percentage. To make the responsive design works, we will convert all the fixed width like this to the percentage. So first thing what we're gonna do is the main view, we're gonna change this to 100%, and we have a left side view, old movies, we'll change this to 50%, and the right side view, new movies, which will change to 50%. Save it, take a look at the page, refresh, you'll see the difference. Now we have a left side which is 50% all old movies, and the right side we have 50% which is new movies. Let's reduce the size. So now this almost looks like our responsive design, the one which we created, the test.html. So if you reduce the size to iPhone size, there is a one issue here. It's merged together, which is not good. So we will try to make the view looks nice. So what we're trying to do is, maybe we can move the new movies below the old movies list. So if you see the responsive design, so we have old movies here, and then it's going the new movies under, below the old movies. So how do you make this? There is a new tag called new query, media query. So just to create a media query, media all and max width 500 px. So now what we're telling here is, if the view is less than 500 px, or less than or equal to 500 px, make this change. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna change a body to font weight bold. So anytime you reduce the view to 500, less than or equal to 500 px, then the font become bold. Let's see these changes. Refresh and reduce the size. Do you see the difference? So this is more than 500 px. This is font looks normal. When I reduce to less than 500 px, the font color changes. So now we have a control on CSS. So when it will reduce to less than or equal to 500 px, we'll change the font to bold. Same way we're gonna modify this CSS. Let's see. So what we have to change here is, we have to modify the movie items, old movies and new movies class. First we're gonna change movie items to width is 120 px. We're gonna change this width to min width 120 px, width to 100%. Okay, and one more thing we have to do is, let's refresh the page first. Refresh. I don't see any difference here, not much difference here. So problem is, if you right click and inspect element with Firebug, see the difference. Well, let's click the movie item. We applied, if it is a less than 500 px, we applied font body weight bold, that we got it here. But movie item not become 100 px. So if you see this here, there are two movie items here. Whatever we applied with 100%, it's not applied. The problem is, it's not giving important to this class. To get this one to be important, there's one small change. Important. Just type apostrophe and important and save this. Now refresh the page. So now we got 100%. Still the design is not good, because the old movie is supposed to be in the top, or new movie is supposed to go below it. Okay, let's make that change also. Let's take this old movie class. And change width to 100% and make this also important. Put exclamation mark. new movies. Make width to same way 100%. Save this. I'm using Notepad++ for this to edit this HTML page, but you can use .NET. There are a lot of good editors available. You can use that. So close, save this file and go and refresh it. We'll see the difference. There is one small change we can do. Instead of 100%, let's make this as a 90%, which gives some space in between. Refresh this page. See, looks nice. So old movies on the top, new movies on the bottom. If you reduce the size, still looks nice. See here. So this is what called responsive design. The small changes, the media, all, and max weight 500 pixels. Same way you can make your it depends on the device size, you can apply your style sheet. Right now here I created within the page, but you can create separate style sheet for each media query, each size. There is a website, you'll see here, media queries for standard device. So they mention each device, what's the size, so you can apply. For example, if you take iPad size, let's take this code, I'm gonna apply here. One small changes we need to make. This only apply for iPad device, so to just for our example I'm gonna delete this device, but then it will work in our PC browser also. If it is 768 1024, that's iPad portrait style. When this is the size, then we're gonna change body font normal, and font okay. Refresh this page. See, it's changed. Sorry about that. I copied a wrong one. When you use the real iPad, that will work fine. So see the difference when the size change, it will become red color, and the size change again, it become dark black color. So you can use the media query to control the CSS to change a view of the website. So this CSS trick has cstricks.com has a list of different devices size, so you can copy that and start create your own website which looks awesome in all different devices. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Bye.